The pastor of the Agape Christian Fellowship Church in Falmouth, Trelawney, where a member was shot dead during Sunday services, speaking out about the atrocity this evening. Reverend Junior Rotti says it's been a traumatic experience, but notes it could have been more tragic if the rains hadn't prevented more people from turning up for service.
The screams from Sunday's horrific shooting inside the Agape Christian Fellowship Church in Falmouth, Trelawney, replaced by tongues of fire on Tuesday. Church members spiritually charged as they pray over the sanctuary, left desecrated by the brazen act of a lone gunman. Reverend Junior Rotti recalls seeing the visitor after leaving his office shortly after church started on Sunday.
And going out, I saw this young man with a hat on. It was kind of looking hard to me, and I took note of it because men know we are at the church in our situation here in Jamaica. It sparked my attention, not in a bad way or anything of the sort, but I wanting to go to him, just talk to him a while, but I didn't. I just passed. So when I was coming back, I figured, like any new person, I would have gone over to welcome the individual. And then again, I felt I need to leave him alone.
And that's what he did. Shortly after, the unthinkable happened.
I was literally stunned and frozen to see lights just flashing. And my eyes were on all these lights that was going towards this young lady's back. I couldn't have seen his face because he had the hat and the mask on. So I didn't know what he looked like in terms of facial recognition.
He says he was so stunned, he froze. He says it's been especially hard for members to cope with the tragic murder of 51-year-old Andrea Lowe Garwood.
Andrea, being the person she was part of the life of the party. In wherever she goes. I mean, she was exciting individual. She wanted to see people move forward. That kind of love. She loved relationships, especially if somebody was dating or somebody was thinking about getting married. She wanted to be involved.
He says the victim support unit has been contacted to provide counseling for the church. Meanwhile, with the main suspect having turned in himself on Monday, Reverend Rotti says it will help make closure a little easier. As for the issue of deadly family disputes,
nobody comes out the winner. Because if you just shoot for money, if that's the situation alleged, then where are you going to get your money? What are you going to do with it when you're behind bars?
On Monday, police confirmed that Andrea Lowe Garwood was killed over a family dispute. She was praying when the shooter, who was sitting beside her in church, shot her multiple times. 3 other men were taken into custody in connection with the murder.
Is it that the prayer didn't get to God in time? Or is it that there is no God out there answering prayers? Definitely. There is no God out there answering prayers. This biblical God is a superstition. And it says so in the Bible. Anyway, the pastor saying, feel it, Saying, see the man in our hat, and like any other person, you don't go to them as a new member and say, hey, welcome. But as I can see or as I can think, the pastor was in fear of his life. Because maybe the man look creepy or something. Anyways, what me rate him for? He not talk like some other person and I say, God is in control. And God let the man drop his phone so police can, Because if you go talk like that, if you say God make a man kill the woman then. If you go say God make a phone leave on the scene, right? Anyways, God is so good. The church people, them after they get counseling. Him can counsel his own people. And as you can see, these persons are in the church praying and say they are. What are they doing to the sanctuary? Nothing. They have been praying for years, every Sunday and other days, and killing still take place. So all them the whole heap of different praying there with them are going with. It don't make no sense. People, Please rise up. You need to think some more. Read the biblical words for what it is and put sense to it. And you will understand it's all a superstition. Thank you for watching, and please, I'm inviting you to subscribe, share, and comment to my channel. Thank you very much.